Cammy waiting. Not if, when.
God, this looks. Oh!
Oh, then he took the bait. Got him.
Keep tension, keep tension.
He's not big.
Tension.
He's just a little guy again. I think the planer board's already on the rocks.
I guess you can see him out there. That was awesome. That thing just came up and smoked that. It's a walleye. It's a walleye. He's not very hooked.
Good walleye too. A little planer board walleye.
Did that walleye? There's no way that walleye hit that planer board, was it?
I don't know. Top water walleye action on the old vehicle planer board. That's a good fish too.
What? Are you keeping them?
I think I might, yeah.
You can get a limit here, I'd imagine. What the hell? That's just dumb. Yeah, I'll throw this one in the cooler. So, planer board, truck, walleye.
16.5-inch walleye. Guaranteed all day long.